Hi, this is Quentin Flores with cbctmadeeasy.com. In this tutorial, we'll be reviewing Galaxis Galileo's virtual implant planning.
All right, so we're ready to place an implant. And it's important to note that in this tutorial, I want to show you how to use your software to virtually plan an implant. But this is not designed to teach you how to plan an implant. For that, Dentsply Sirona offers a free course with the purchase of your CBCT machine called Advanced User Training. And as you know, there's a number of excellent implantology courses offered around the country. So let's start by going over to the toolbar on the right-hand side. We've been on diagnosis. We're going to drop down, second from the bottom, and click on implant. Here there's two options. We want the button on the left called Insert Implant. So it's going to ask us for a couple pieces of information so the software knows what we're trying to do. First, tooth number. Let's do tooth number 4. It orients to vertical. And then down here, we're going to click this drop-down menu and click on More. So this is our complete library of implants in the software. This does get updated at least once a year. So let's pick an implant line. Click OK. Now you'll notice it has on the left the lengths of the implant and up top the diameters of the implant. So let's choose one and click OK. The implant will get automatically stuck to the end of my mouse, and I can place it in any window. But what's ideal for implants is to change your view in the bottom left-hand corner to implant aligned. Once again, we can drop it in any window. I'll do that in the cross-sectional. So I click once, and now the implant has been released from my mouse and placed. We can take our 3D view and rotate so you can see that implant. And in our axial view, this allows us to click and hold and move that implant so that we're placing it directly in the bone. This rectangle you see around your implant are your safety zones. From thread to the outside of the rectangle, you have 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters on either side of the implant. From the apical end to the top of this rectangle, or the bottom, if we're placing it in the mandible, is 2 millimeters. So this is a 2 millimeter safety zone. This orange line that dissects the implant from top to bottom is how you will rotationally change the angle of your implant by clicking and holding. And you can do that from top or bottom. So we can click and move our implant, change the angle. And then in our tangential view at the bottom, clicking and holding this arrow allows us to rotate your view around the implant, and you can see how that tangential line is rotating in the axial view in the bottom right-hand corner of our screen. So once you're happy with your implant placement, you will go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click Surgery. And from here you have two options. We can create a report, which can be sent to another office or surgeon. Or we can create a surgical guide and we will review these options in another video.